Alligator, snapping with a grin. B for bear, so big and strong within. C for cat, it loves to purr and play. D for dog, it barks all day. E for elephant, with the trunk so long. F for fox, so clever and strong. G for giraffe, with a neck so tall. H for horse, galloping for all. I for iguana, crawling so slow. J for jaguar, ready to go. K for kangaroo, jumping so high. L for lion, the king of the sky. M for monkey, swinging on trees. N for newt, so small, don't sneeze. O for owl, who hoots at night. P for penguin, waddling in sight. Q for quail, a bird so small. R for rabbit, hopping tall. S for snake, slithering around. T for tiger, leaping with a bound. U for urchin, spiky and round. V for vulture, flying high off the ground. W for wolf, howling at the moon. X for x-ray fish, swimming past soon. Y for yak, with fur so thick. Z for zebra, with stripes so quick.